welcome to Canterbury. So, it's a bit rainy today. It's not windy like it was yesterday, and it's not quite as cold either. Hello! Hey Tuna! How you doing, guys? So I'm just heading out for a lunchtime walk and gonna head down to the lake. How you doing? It's good to be out. Hi! Hi Lynn! Back on the power walk. Yeah, no, it does look like I'm walking really quickly. Actually in the summer, and sometimes we run along the path here too. There's about there's a nice 5k you can go on for lunchtime. Or a 10k cycle, which is quite nice. Hi, trying to connect. Whew.
Where are you going?
Going along the river. I'm going to go and have a look at the lake. There's some blue sky over there. Can you see it in the distance? On top of that hill. Oh, you do? You like that, do you? I think it's quite good too. You're kind of getting a progress report from day to day. If I make this a regular thing, then in the summertime there's quite a lot of wildlife along the river. It should be quite interesting. As I said before, you get some kingfishers up and down here. Oh, they were work colleagues. And dragonflies and water voles, which I might be lucky enough to see one day. Hello, Alanta. I do. Look, I got my welly boots on. Properly equipped. The proper attire for a rainy UK walk. Well, they said, where am I going? Where are you going? So that way to Chartham. No, they don't. I don't think they do, actually. Some of the people in the office know that I scope, but I don't think they do. So Chartham and the Kent area of outstanding natural beauty is that way. And this is down towards Canterbury. All this is floodplain. It's all it was a worked quarry site at one time, and then it was restored to agricultural land. So there's quite a lot of it, and you get some nice woodland. No, I don't think they do, actually. I don't think they know what scope is. Should I introduce them to it one day? I should do that, shouldn't I? I'm not sure I'd be allowed to scope at work, but I don't think I have 4G. I think it's only 3. Let's have a look. No, just 3G. I know! That's been a long time. How are you doing? Are you going to be scoping in 2016? Just out for a lunchtime walk. You're in Tokyo! Oh, cool. I'm so jealous. Very jealous. Love to be in Tokyo. Yeah, introductions don't help. That's the thing. Trying to describe periscopes to people is quite tricky, isn't it? Ah, okay. Woo. I'm much less vain these days. Well, the thing I figured is people see you in everyday life, so... But it is difficult, I think, for people to scope. It does take a bit of confidence, doesn't it, really? She says, showing the pathway. Look, the path. So the lake's over there, we're heading towards. Oh, I was debating whether to come out because it looked like it might rain again, but I thought it's better to get out and get wet than to stay in. Let's go around this way. I haven't been this way before. We'll go around to the left. Hey! Toothy Horan? Hello. Sorry if I got your name wrong. Let's wander this way. Hopefully I've still got you guys. There's a train track, goes into Canterbury. That might be the London track actually. River Stour's over there. And this is called Thannington Lake. It's near Canterbury. It's very muddy and wet. Yeah, it's true. You can challenge me to a contest if you like. Invite me to a scope. It's not too bad today. Yesterday it was definitely had to wear gloves. Today it's all right. Oh, are they not? Oh, yeah, splish splash, jumping up and down in muddy puddles. You can maybe only walk up to the gate this way, but it might be it's quite a different view. Ooh, it's quite slippery. If I fall over, don't laugh. Hey, Paul. Oh, maybe a little bit then. Oh, you love my voice. Oh, thank you. So, yeah. So I said this is a lake that's been... Hi, Paul. It's been created from quarrying originally. So they dig out the mineral and then they restore to agricultural land. Hi! And infill the lakes. There's bulrushes. Let's have a look, see if we can see what's on the lake at the moment. So yesterday we saw some coots and some ducks. Occasionally you get pairs of swans on here too. You might have to wander on the other end. Oh, I wonder if that's electric fence. Oh no, it doesn't look like it. I think it's just a wire fence. Before we get electrocuted and fall over as well. That's quite pretty. I think these are willow trees. And in the summertime when the leaves are on, they hang down into the water. It's really pretty. Let's wander around the other side. We might be able to see some more wildlife. And I'll show you the river as well. The river's quite high at the moment. Woo. Hello. Hi, Rain. How are you doing? Muddy puddles. Hello. Mendy. Hello. Careful with my phone. What, in case I drop them? Drop it. Sorry guys, I'm just concentrating so I don't fall in. There we go. It's a bit drier now. Let's head down this way. Look at the sunshine. You see the trees over there. Get some nice shadows on the land. Hey Canada! I'll try not to shake the phone so much, sorry about that. Woo. It's a bit bumpy. Hello, Perspective 1973. How are you? Welcome to Canterbury in Kent. There is sunshine. I was saying yesterday the height of the river. I've had quite a lot of rainfall recently. That's the River Stour. Yeah, it's good actually. It's not too bad. I'm at work today, so I just thought I'd come out at lunchtime, do a quick scope. I think that's higher than yesterday actually. Looks quite a bit, doesn't it? I work in Canterbury. It is fast. It's flown quite quickly. It's nice now the sun's come out. It's a shame we've got road noise in the background. Comes the train. Quick wave. Southeastern's finest. Big puddle. Ooh. It is very wet. See you later. Take care. I'll catch up with some of your scoops, hopefully this year. That'll be good. Oh, you were waving at the train. Oh, duh. I'll catch up in a minute. I know. I see your comment now. How funny. Shall I sneak under? Let's do this. Dun dun dun. Get told off by the parkie. Hello, Fourth Wind. How you doing? It's pretty, isn't it? Revel, yeah. Revel, revel. If I fall in, will you rescue me? I'm a bit Bridget Jones like that. Yeah, we call them parkies. Park keepers. Okay, see you later. It's good to see the sunshine. I can't believe how mild it is for this time of year though. It's unreal. It's a big old park, yeah. Don't think they're very good for eating. It's nice reflection on the water, isn't it? See. Old tree. Oh, it's Canterbury in Kent in the UK. We're about an hour south of London. This is Stannington Lakes. It's quite. I think there's about 8 or 9 lakes out here. Yeah, I've heard of Norwich. I've been to Norwich actually. It's a lovely town. It's very flat. It's got a very nice town there. The UEA is in Norwich, isn't it? Do I know Herne Bay? Yeah. I live in Whitstable, which is about... It's a city. Oh yes it is, isn't it? Arthur. Thank you. I'm glad you're here. Yeah. Yeah, UEA is a really interesting building, actually, architecturally. Hey, Russia! You've never been asked. Sorry, I missed that comment. The comments on my phone when it's landscape, they come in on the side, so I've got to kind of read it on the side. It's not that beautiful, honestly. Hey, Simon. How you doing? You alright? No, it's not. Look at the profile picture, that's what I look like. So yeah, I stayed at UEA once. My friend was down there doing a course. So I went down she was American, so I went down for Thanksgiving. It's sunny for you too, woohoo! Sunny in Cornwall. Oh, thank you very much. What football are you watching, Chris? Are you playing? Alright. Oh, you remember your childhood in the arcades on Herne Bay? Yeah, they're all still there. Lots of arcades on Herne Bay seafront. It's nice, actually. It's only about 5 miles from me. Got friends who live in Herne Bay as well. And Lulu World, who's on Periscope, she's also in Herne Bay. Lovely lady. A country girl. I grew up in Scotland. I grew up in Aberdeen, actually. That coffee shop on the corner. Oh, the one that's got, it's a bit like a diner. It's Italian, isn't it? If I sound like I'm from Norfolk. I've got family from Plymouth. Some people say I sound like I'm from the West Country away. Your mum's from Aberdeen. I did wonder actually with Fourth Wind whether that was something to do with the Forth Bridge, although the spelling was different, so that's what confused me. Boo! Yeah, it's all on my profile. All the links on there. On the Twitter and the Instagram. Funny. Look at that. How nice is it now? The sun's come out. It's amazing. What a difference. It was all grey and horrible before. Woo. Yeah, I think we're going to get moor hens. Are they moor hens or coots? I'm no good at remembering this. Some of them have red feet and some of them have yellow feet. I can't remember. Jump in. Okay. Yeah, I think they're coots. It's very pretty. I better check the time. 1:54. Got a couple of minutes yet, and then I have to go back to work. Thanks for the hearts. They're quite fast. Face or water, which one would you like to see? Haha. Look at that reflection, that's cool, isn't it? Sorry, I just turned it up the other way. It's cool. How lovely. Lulu World. She's on Periscope. She's really funny, lovely lady. What a great view. Look at that. Cool, no worries, Lynn. Thanks for the post, Simon. No worries, that's fine. It's just a shame about the road noise. What I'll do is, one lunchtime I'll bring in my BMX and we can go for a cycle. Get away from the roads. As I said, there's about 8 or 9 of these lakes along here. So it's quite a pretty area. And yes, BMX. I've got a grifter in the shed as well. But yeah, I'll go for a BMX. I do go for a BMX ride at lunchtime. I'll bring it into work. They think I'm bonkers. It is a nice day. I like the contrast with the clouds as well. Makes it interesting, doesn't it? It was when I had an old school BMX and I went cycling past these kids and they're like, "Hey, nice BMX." A wee grifter, yeah. I need to get it fixed actually. I should get it fixed up. Weighs a ton, that's the problem with grifters. Oh, look at that. Isn't it a shame we can't stay here all day? Should I do landscape again? Let you have a look. Oh, no, Simon, that's shocking. You should buy yourself one. Get yourself a BMX. Cycling around Cornwall. Yeah, the gear shifter, yeah. Oh, it seems to have gone on to low power mode. Don't think that makes a difference for you, I think it's just for me. Right guys, I better head back to the office. But I hope you've enjoyed looking at the lake. Yeah, I'll try and get out here more often and definitely take the bike in and then we can go for a ride along the cycle path. It's lovely, isn't it? Beautiful. Look at that. Let's see if we can get it all in shot. It's so pretty. Bye! I know. Whoop. See you later. Take care. Bye.